Welcome to our virtual open house. We're going to get started here at 34 Plantation. So we are live here on Facebook and on Zoom. We are going to be walking through the front door and we're going to start at the first floor. So we're here in the foyer. We have beautiful hardwood floors. And to your left, we have the living room. The home has beautiful crown molding throughout the living room and the dining room. It's a nice, bright, open floor plan. As we continue through the living room into the dining room overlooks the private yard and paver patio. The dining room is also next to the kitchen, which has been remodeled. As you can see, we have white cabinetry, quartz countertop, tile backsplash, and we also have an extra pantry for additional storage. This overlooks the private backyard that is nice and luscious and green. Also completely open to the family room, which has built-in bookshelves. We also have recessed lighting and a ceiling fan, as well as a wood-burning fireplace. This leads back around to the foyer. We're gonna go to the left, where you have half a bathroom. And you also have a laundry room that has a separate entrance and leads to your 2-car garage. There's lots of room in here for storage. It's also 2 separate garage doors and openers. Now wrapping back around to the front of the house, where we will enter the second floor. If you have questions, please type them in the chat box or on Facebook. You have a coat closet, and you also have another closet under the stairs for additional storage. Back here in the foyer, we're going to wrap around and go upstairs. This is also all hardwood, both downstairs as well as upstairs. And working our way to the second floor, you'll notice we have a large, spacious hallway. To the left, we have double doors that lead to the master bedroom. Again, towards the back of the house here, overlooking the yard. We also have a high ceiling with a ceiling fan and an organized walk-in closet. Also in the master is a full bathroom with a large soaking tub, shower stall, double sinks, and the toilet sits separately in the back here. Now, as we go down the hallway and outside of the master suite, we will see to the right here a nice storage area that's open to the two-story foyer. And then coming back around, we're going to continue straight into one of the bedrooms. And this bedroom has a double closet. Then the third bedroom, also facing the front of the house, has a ceiling fan and also a good-sized double closet. Now we'll be heading back downstairs. Oh, actually, before we head downstairs, to the right, we do have your main bathroom, which has a large vanity and tub shower, and also additional light. Now we will head back downstairs and head out to see the private yard. Before we do that though, here's a nice view from the second floor of the two-story foyer. And now going back out through the kitchen. We're going to head outside and take a look at the patio, as well as the yard. Okay, so we're heading outside. So out here, you can see the paver patio runs all the way to the front of the house. And then through here, there are some lights built in on the patio paver and the wall. And then you can see how nicely landscaped and well appointed the yard is. Lots of privacy. And then we'll head back inside and we'll open it up to any questions. So Ashley, do we have any questions in the chat room?
Christina, we have a question.
Yep, I saw about fences.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, you are allowed to have a fence. You are in an association, so you would have to get approval from the association and any required permits from the town. I caught, Ashley, can you repeat that question? I caught part of it, but it was cut off.
Yes. How does this house compare to others in the neighborhood?
It's very comparable. There's a few different models here in Lake Cushetunk. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. There is no basement. There's a 2-car garage. So it shows very well. From a condition standpoint, it's a little bit above average compared to other homes in this neighborhood. And it is one of the smaller models. The models do go as high as 5 bedrooms. but it's very comparable to the other homes in the neighborhood. Since this is a planned development, there are different models throughout this neighborhood. This entire neighborhood was built into the late 1990s. And it also sits right off of Route 22 and the main street in Whitehouse Station. Any other questions?
There was an additional follow-up question to that. What are the upgrades? But I think, you know, you covered some, but if you want to further discuss.
Ashley, do you have, I know we have a list of upgrades we can definitely email over. There are many upgrades throughout this house. One of the things that I mentioned in the video was the hardwood floors. Obviously here in the kitchen, we have the kitchen, which is the quartz countertops, the backsplash, it's a glass backsplash. Also the moldings. So here in the dining room, we have like the crown moldings. That's all an upgrade. And there might be a few things that I'm missing that we do have online. We can get you a comprehensive list emailed over. If you want to throw your email in the chat box or send us a private message, we can absolutely send you a comprehensive list. Any other questions? We'll be here for another 10 to 15 minutes. If anybody has additional questions or if they want to take another walk through the house.